answer that one.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And you know what?
Guess what, guys?
Guess what's inside here?
How many days to go again? How many days to go? Tell us. How many days to go again?
Just like 2 days to go.
Oh my
2
goodness.
days to go.
2 days to go.
And luckily,
You ready, guys?
luckily,
Hope you guys are ready.
me, I'm very ready.
Oh my goodness.
Luckily,
That's
my
beautiful.
package came like for FedEx.
Where they chop life, send a person where they are alive. Give thanks to Jehovah, no matter the child.
So guys, let's get started. So this package doesn't have
Guys, I'm the one actually opening.
Jesus, take my news.
Sorry. That's not why they hold the package like this.
Who open our bag?
I didn't want to open them like just the whole
You
like
open
I
am
they run
together
away
now.
with them.
They open our
It's only one scissors I see. I'm getting to your nail. One of your nails has gone up with me.
I'll fix that one already.
Yeah, fix it back. At least Bagay remember I go use this one. So I need to leave. I'm an assistant wedding celebrant.
Yeah.
Don't play.
Sorry guys.
Don't play. Assistant wedding.
Are you guys ready? He said this is the biggest bag she had. I have to put this to me. That's just the drag button.
I don't think. Let's see that still use this thing. Like, they need to be started. See that, come with taking first with this thing. It's not this place.
Guys, are you so excited about this? Like I've suffered for this gown. The first one, white color. The first one we go for AliExpress. Calm. Second one, white color. This one I know definitely is going to be what I want. That's this. We have okay. Nice.
Let's see how it smells.
We don't have that's very nice. Oh, it's fine, it's fine. I wish I could wash it too.
This thing says it's not dry. It's not dry. It's coming right to you.
So
If
guys,
it came earlier, I would have washed it.
see the ready gown. Are you guys ready for this?
It's small.
Very big. So guys, I'm gonna put it on, but not now. But now, but not in camera now. So bye.